Hey everybody, Nick Smith here from the Microsoft BI team, and I wanted to give you an example of business intelligence right on the desktop in a very familiar and intuitive way that I can go in and take a look at key performance indicators and key metrics that I want to track and have access to those metrics right from my desktop. And what I'm going to show here is a widget called Push BI, and it's by a company called Extended Results, and they're the company that has built this application along with a mobile BI application that we'll show in a second to do analysis of key performance indicators right from your desktop in this instance, or right from your mobile device, and we'll see that in a few seconds. But I wanted to show this from the perspective of business intelligence right in a familiar, intuitive environment right on my desktop, and how I can easily navigate to a metric or a key performance indicator that I need to track. Let's say I'm a sales manager for a particular region and I want to track sales amount or profits or margins. And how can I track those metrics? Now, with this, I can click on a particular metric and it'll pull up more detail right on my desktop. So now I have a view of the calendar year and how my sales targets are performing. And I can select a different view. I can go back in time to a different year, or I can select a various product from all of my different product categories. In this instance, the company that I'm looking at, or the data that I'm looking at, is all around bikes and bike accessories, clothing, components, that type of stuff. But let's say I wanted to drill into more information in a particular month, and August looks like it was a pretty profitable month, so I'm going to drill into August and find out more details. And this shows some of the capabilities that's available today with Performance Point Services and the analytic components of Performance Point Services. So this is integrated with the Microsoft BI stack. And the data that is being pulled here, what you didn't see is I actually was able to log in using a login password, and I've already logged in, so it didn't pop up the first time when I clicked on sales amount. But this allows me to connect to data that's within the SQL Server database, and it's pulling data out of analysis services. And so now I can drill to a particular, if I wanted to drill down to a particular geography, or get more details into a particular product or sub-product category. I can do all that right within the desktop environment. So a pretty cool example of having BI right on your desktop and integrating the components of the Microsoft BI stack into an application that you can use in a very simple and intuitive way.